Hello, this is James George, and this is Create a Beacon. And today I'm going to show you quickly how to set up a testing server for testing a WordPress theme. If you want to develop your own WordPress themes, this is really handy. You can do so in just a couple of minutes. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download MAMP, which you can just, if you have a Mac, if you have a PC, you want to download WAMP, which is the Windows version. But basically, you can set up your own testing server in a few minutes. Go through the instructions of installing MAMP. It's really easy. They've got tutorial videos on that, and I'll show you how to set up your WordPress site. It's really easy. All you have to do is once you start up MAMP, you'll get this screen in your browser. Just go to phpMyAdmin, and you can set up as many databases as you want to. And so you'll see MySQL localhost. And I have a few different databases here, but if you want to create a new database, let's say, I'm going to create a new theme and I want to test it out and bring in my own data and everything else. We'll say data theme. That's what I'll name this database. So hit create, and then what you'll do is you have an htdocs folder right here, and what you'll do is drag a clean install of WordPress into your htdocs folder. Okay, so this is just a clean install that I downloaded from wordpress.org, and I'll name it WordPress 4, or you can name it anything. I'll name it data theme. And so you click and drag that over to your htdocs folder, and you can find that via applications, MAMP, if you go into MAMP here, and you see htdocs, you can just take this folder and drag it over here, and you can have it in your sidebar. That way you don't have to fish through your applications folders just to get to it, because you'll be using this folder a lot. And so what you'll do is in your browser, you'll create a new folder, or you'll put in localhost / whatever that folder was. It was called data theme, and it will say that there doesn't seem to be a WordPress configuration file, but to set it up, it's really simple. Just click Let's Go, and you want to put in your database name that you created, which is called data theme. And for username and password, you put in root and root. And database host is localhost, table prefix is WP, but you can make it whatever you want to. A lot of people do this for security. They'll change this. Hit submit. It says, alright, you've made it through this part, and now WordPress can communicate with your database. Run the install. And so here, you can set up your username and admin. Just create a password. This is local on your testing server. This isn't live, so you can make it whenever you want to. Just put in your email and say install WordPress. And so you get the success message and you can log in. And there you go. And now you can test your own WordPress themes locally on your computer.